Right now, me I tell you, you right now me have like about 100 blood clot fireman where it's like, yo, right now, ready to just know where the bitch you live and just blood clot go all out which part you live in Florida. Come with about every blood clot body ticket I just carry the whole of them go to Florida and blood clot no says like yo the blood clot demonstrate on a bitch make she left out of that blood clot just see and just go back a blood clot Jamaica. Cause she a going like she a citizen of blood clot America.
Last night, some man send me a video, dog, a audio, and boy, that person I move like a bottom feeder, you know. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Now, this is the part 2 of the Rasta man them video. You understand? And me don't know why this bottom feeder, cause that me have to describe that person as for come out and this Sizzla like this. Now sit back, I want to hear this.
Yo, my general, rating me I tell you, up to now, you can't blood clot sleep, And me I tell you, that. See, this girl I never know this man like that. This man I build big from Germany everywhere. Them man I travel the whole blood clot world. You get to me I say to you, you get to me I tell them yo, rating me I tell you, Me said hurt me to me heart I bleed with a blood clot girl laying that. You show me I tell you, see, this girl I just ring up the man name. She never know the man. You know him, but yes, blood clot me I tell you that. You disrespect the man like that. I talk about suck your mother and all them. She want like justice in America. See? And you know such a thing going on blood clot America. If you're American, you're American. You're born from once you're in a blood clot. But I want you to know that. Once if you're not born you're going back home. See? You get to me I tell you brother? You know that. Once you're in a barn, you're going back blood clot. See? And this girl I call up the man name and all them way to suck you and that hurt me, that. That girl never work. What she do? What kind of blood clot work she do? Just sit on social media and blood clot and Jamaica and them I support her. Never cut her blood clot off. And I support her. All of them blood clot from Africa straight round the blood clot world. Don't support that bitch. All of the Rasta man them lick out on her. See, never lower. Don't support that bitch. See?
Me nah lie. Me listen to some of our video them because after the Rasta man them send me the audio. I do my little research, cause like me say me see her and me see the person. You understand? Cause me really don't know if it's a man or a woman, but I'm not try to be funny. So me listen to some of the videos and it really and truly it doesn't even make sense a lot of the stuff she talk about. So I am trying to wonder if people just go to her just say hear some bullshit because everything is so serious now. Me don't know, me not try validate, but there's really no substance. You understand? Because somebody just tell me, my virgin called me and told me that the reason why she went off on Sizzla is because Sizzla was at a concert and the people them use like fake fire and them thing and him kinda speak on it, so that tripped that person off. I don't know, but really and truly the Rasta man them right we just no purpose. Let's go, listen to the rest of this. It's a long message. Listen to where the man them say. Listen to where the man say.
Cause you talk like you're American and I talk about this like yo, this is speaks free speech in blood clot country. Bitch, you believe say me there 35 years, 40 blood clot years going on. You believe me can blood clot free speech in this pussy world? Eh? What you talk about? From you're a blood clot American citizen and you're born you never talk in America. And this bitch you come talk about way and I disrespect the blood clot man. My dog, me I tell you, my youth, my family. See? Sizzla is a man where me don't know the man like that, but me listen the man blood clot thing, them and all them weird of that. And from the man bust out from that blood clot about 20 odd years ago. America me did them time when the man bust. And me I listen to the man. And the man go all about Africa about. See? And in respect is there. So me don't want this girl just a disrespect the man around. Yo dad. Me I tell you man, yo. What are they? Me I say something to you right now. If she get deported or something wrong and them send her home, she can't go back. Which part she go? She can't go. Yo dad, she can't go nowhere. See? She can't go nowhere. Unless she go back right after yeah. Cause she had a refugee ways like yo. Only thing she can do, call for refugee status. Cause be there a long time, be there America long time. And them think that, cause she also is like yo, she can't go back to Jamaica cause they want to kill her or something. Yeah, you go get there about, cause you know to them think they go on in America. Refugee status. Where like yo, she start ball. And I said, boy, we can't come back to Jamaica because like yo, they want to kill me. And them still are somewhere else. See? Yeah, no, I hate to know them say the president, and not the president, the prime minister, I make him run way. See, and I put him somewhere else. You understand what I say to you? But I straight at Jamaica, you are a bitch. You see me? You are this fireman, man, you, them man, they are burn fire for the day and come out and mad at him now. And the only man that keep that burn fire. Everybody else now, they like that. Them man they are the original man Captain and Bumbleclad Sizzla a bonfire till now. Them take with the man blood clad visa. Too much blood clad years. See? Time they have more money than how him is now. And the nigga, yo, now call me general no nigga. But me I tell you so the fireman sit down on it and him get by him visa and this girl I know I come blood clad talk about post hole. So okay mother like so I bring out the man. Eh? You know the rest, yo, that's what I say Jamaican people is a thing in the dog. My brother, you know. See? Jamaican people is a thing where it's like, yo, that girl, them will stop support her on the social media. Don't even make she make a cent. Not even one blood clot cent. See? And listen to nothing with that girl there said. Cause the man not do you nothing, man, yo. And this guy just come up, Sizzla, you pussy, you don't stop blood clot, go suck your mother, you beat up your baby mother. Dog, my brother, listen, everybody at Jamaica and them baby mother in an argument. You boxing your baby mother you fight, she will stab you, throw a lot of water upon you, and all them weird. And them weird. We not talk about woman abuse, you know, but them things they are so from where they are Jamaica. And so. And everybody lives see me. So one if Sizzla doing baby mother nothing, now him baby mother do him something back. She don't talk about blood clot him, you know. You don't know what the baby mother do to him. You get to me as a general? Real thing I tell you. She beat up for your blood clot wife. Nobody do know for your wife. See? And she was a blood clot. She talk about free speech in country. It's like what free speech in country? Yo, we have some Rasta man right now. We're ready to blood clot. Cause anyway we're going to Florida and find out what she there. Who want 100, 200, 300, 500, or 1,000 of them. Go a blood clot yard. Waiting me and tell them how you. See? I got blood clot demonstrate on it because we are going there and we have free speech in US citizen too. Cause she no legal yeah. And get her out of the community. Post soul there. Real thing me I tell you, organize that blood clot. Cause me a fireman too. Me a Rasta. See? And me have a lot of blood clot man right now. We tell them say yo we're ready and put it out on social media. Say that bitch and we know where she live. We'll send it, we'll go up there. I'm gonna demonstrate free speech in country, make them lock you up too. See? Do it like Marcus Garvey and blood clot, Martin Luther King and blood clot. Them same way. Malcolm X go blood clot march. See? Get out this bitch cause you don't live America. See? And with the people in the community where she there, know say she's a blood clot mix up and she's a dog and she's a bitch. See? I tell him a nigga man. The nigga, yo, you live when it hurt me. See? Come know you there around the big man. See? I mean I tell her that it hurt me till it's like, yo, believe me man, you like me can't even sleep. So me hear about how she did to the man. I call the man pussy. Oh, you're hungry and all them way there. Eh? I there in Jamaica. So any little thing there in Jamaica we can't eat. Sizzla, hungry, and him tons, and all them way there, and the man go to college and graduate from college. And him not talk enough fuck up on the music. Yeah, you talk about little girl, yes, every blood clot body live them life. Talk about girl this and that. But the man is a man with bonfire for the blood clot lesbian, the lesbian and gay and all them way there, the queer and the blood clot thing, dog. And the man they have bonfire from the day in blood clot. All of my till now. So why now you all disrespect the man? We never disrespect him, bitch. The man a DJ before my you don't even know your life. See? Yo, my brother, 100% now. See? We can't even sleep when me yo dog. You don't even know me general, we can't even sleep.
One thing me I say, you see them man ya? Them Rasta man ya? Them serious. Take it from countryman. A long time them Rasta man ya dey bout. And them know enough people, that's all me I say. Now, like me say, bottom feeder drop me in this thing ya, and the man them send the message and me have to put it out. And the more me look on it, really and truly there's no purpose behind where that person there I talk about Sizzla, and it is very, very disrespectful. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.